Welcome to China Aviation News. Here is Surprise. I'm Han Rong. At first, let's look at the news of the week. Recently, with the emergence of PMSP and the WMSS, the 7 major application systems promoting the realization of digital SAC have been officially online and come into use, which marks the product design of Shanxi Y8 transport aircraft has entered the complete 3-dimensional digital age. Until now, SAC's Design Coordination System, CMS, Digital Assembly Process Design, Distribution Numerical Control Management System, PMS International Patrol, and the Metal Quality Inspection has been fully established. Other 7 systems including Test Data Management System, Digital Achieves Management System, Multiple Projects Management System, Business Process Management System, Strategic Management Information System, Capital Management System, and Asset Tracking System will be under construction successfully. AVIC SAC has successfully applied the 3D print technology to manufacture China's civil aircrafts. Through organic integration of reserve engineering technology, 3D print technology, precision casting technology, and digital measurement, the XAC R&D team has got through the digital manufacturing chain with the 3-dimension technique at the core, and successfully used the R&D achievements of projects to produce several military and civil aircrafts, including C919 new regional jets and MA60, and finished producing more than 30 precision casting manufacturers and nearly 3,000 semi-finished products. AVIC Special Vehicle Research Institute Aviation Technology Corporation Limited successfully completed its first delivery of A2C aircraft. According to unconfirmed information, the company's A2C aircraft sells very well this year. Until April, a sales contract of 8 A2C aircrafts has been closed between the company and enterprises in Wuhan City, Qinghai, Jiangsu, and Zhejiang Province, which equals to 80% of the sales of 10 A2C aircrafts in 2013. On May 9th, CTC Thales Avionics Corporation Limited, co-established by CTC Avionics and Thales Avionics, officially opened, which means the research and development of onboard entertainment system on C919 large-type passenger plane will be completed in Chengdu. In 2009, to integrate superior resources of developing and producing avionics, China Electronic Technology Group Corporation established CTC Avionics in Chengdu to specialize in electronic systems business of civil aviation. The coming up is brief news. Number 104 LG-21-700 aircraft achieved the 5th objectives in net 2 flights. On May 8th, a MA60 aircraft from Lao Airlines was officially delivered to the company after passing 3C inspection and receiving successfully cabin retrofit in a maintenance engineering branch of AVIC XAC. On May 9th, the 7th Strategic Committee meeting of AVIC and Honeywell was held in Beijing. During the meeting, both parties shared ideas on the current progress and future plans of major comparative projects. The CAAC F-70G Technical Services Group successfully completed service security work of aerobatic flight of Tanzania's National Days parade by overcoming the threats of bad weather and diseases such as malaria. Until recently this year, AVIC Harbin aircraft will deliver 12 Z9 aircraft to Cambodia, 2 to Kenya, and 3 to Cameroon, and 6 to Bolivia. China's first Dreamliner is expected to be delivered within a few weeks, said Mel Allen, president of Boeing China. Now let's have a short break. Welcome back. On May 8th, Air China exposed a procurement plan of superplanes, which is a back order worth almost $10 billion. It is said Air China will introduce 100 Airbus aircraft with its subsidiaries and deal with 6 A350 aircraft in advance. Air China's board of directors entrusted companies administrative staff to deal with all business related to the introduction and withdrawal of aircraft, and the company will publish all the related details when complementing this trade of introduction. In April, Airbus SAS once announced that it has signed a sales contract of more than $7.7 billion, which contains 60 Airbus, including 80 A330 and 42 A320, with China Aviation Supplies Holding Company. CAAC published the announcement of approving the establishment of Ruili Airline, which said that the application of Yunnan Jingcheng Group Corporation Limited to build Ruili Airline has passed the preliminary examination of CAAC's Southwestern Authority. The announcement marks that CAAC again opens the door for the applying for establishment new airlines, since it suspended accepting such application 5 years before in 2007. Also, it means Ruili Airlines has the possibility of being the first private airline which receives the approval of CAAC in recent years. Recently, one division of Airmen from the North China Sea Fleet has conducted flight training across days and nights for several days. At 7 o'clock in the morning, on receiving the training mission, the station team of the division drove tank cones and power vans to parking approach swiftly. After quickening the process of oil test, refueling, paving lanes, and charging emergency response, time of the division shortened 30%, which saved the time for aircraft to carry out tasks. Until 11 in the evening, the station completed nearly 60 hours ensuring tasks. China's first carrier-based aviation unit has been established in northeast China's Liaoning province. The air unit is regarded as the centerpiece of the Liaoning, China's first aircraft carrier. Its creation also marks a major milestone in the modernization of China's Navy. Starting from scratch, Chinese carrier pilots have developed an initial system for operating, organizing, and directing carrier-based aircraft. And according to the Chinese military, future pilots will be selected from high school and college graduates who are able to pass theoretical training and simulated flight tests. Here is some price. See you next time.